This is a simple story about a big lion and a small mouse. It shows that small friends can help too. A strong animal learns from a little friend. One hot day, a lion sleeps under a big tree. The tree is near a small river. The forest is warm and quiet, and the lion rests in the shade. The lion is very big. He has strong legs and a loud voice. Many animals hear him and walk away. They do not want trouble with the king of the forest. A small mouse lives near the tree. She is quick and careful. Every morning she looks for food in the grass, under leaves, and beside small stones. This morning, the mouse sees some small seeds near the lion. She runs across the grass. She does not see his big face, and she runs over his nose. The lion wakes up at once. He opens his eyes and gives a loud roar. The mouse stops. She is very afraid and cannot move. The lion catches her with one big paw and looks down at her. "Why are you on my nose?" he asks in an angry voice. "I am sorry," says the mouse. "Please let me go. I do not want to make you angry." The lion looks at the small mouse. "I am small," says the mouse, "but one day I can help you." The lion laughs. His laugh is loud, and it fills the quiet forest. The lion thinks for a moment. He is not angry now. "Go," he says. "I will let you live." The mouse feels safe again today. The next day, the lion walks through the forest. He wants a cool place to rest. He does not see a big net on the ground. The net is under dry leaves. Suddenly, the lion steps into it. The net closes around him, and the strong ropes hold his body fast. The lion pulls with his strong legs. He moves his head and body. He tries to break the ropes, but the ropes are very strong. The lion cannot get out. He roars again and again. Many animals hear the roar, but they are afraid, so they run away at once. The small mouse hears the lion too. She knows his voice. "That is the lion," she says, and she runs through the grass to find him. The mouse comes to the net and sees the lion inside. "Do not worry," she says. "I can help you." The lion is very tired. "You are very small," he says. "Can you really help me?" The mouse looks at the ropes and says, "My teeth are small, but they are sharp." The mouse starts to bite one rope. The work is hard. The sun is hot. The mouse is tired, but she does not stop now. At last, one big rope breaks. Then another rope breaks. The net opens and the lion can stand up. He is free in the sun. The lion takes a deep breath and smiles. "Thank you, little mouse," he says. "Today you save me." The mouse smiles too under the tree. "You helped me before," she says. "Now I help you." The lion looks at her with kind eyes and feels thankful with a warm smile. "You are small," says the lion, "but you are a true friend." From that day, The lion and the mouse are friends in the forest. The lion remembers an important lesson. Big or small, everyone can help. A kind heart can be very strong, and no friend is too small.